Welcome to SayPilot. Here's how to set up the app and generate reply suggestions. Part 1. Permission Setup. First, tap Enable for Floating Assistant. Find SayPilot in the list and tap it. Turn on Allow Display over other apps. The floating bubble appears. You can turn it off or back on at any time. Next, tap Enable for chat recognition. Review and accept the disclosure, then continue. Under Downloaded Apps, select SayPilot Chat Assistant Service. Turn on the switch. Tap Allow. Accessibility access is used only after you tap the bubble. It lets SayPilot recognize the visible chat. SayPilot cannot enable it by itself. Part 2. Generating replies. Tap the floating bubble. SayPilot recognizes the current chat messages. You can then tap Chat Transcript to review and confirm them. You can also remove anything you don't want to include. Then tap Done. You can set the reply style. You can also set the intent. Skip both, and AI decides automatically. Setting them yourself gives a better fit. With the settings ready, tap Generate Replies. Review the messages and settings once more. Then tap Generate. SayPilot creates several candidate replies. After generation, you can review the reply notes. You can also review any profile updates. You can also open any reply for more details. Everything stays on your device. Copy the one you like. Paste it into the message box and edit it if needed. You decide when to send. SayPilot never sends automatically. Part 3. Screenshot Mode. If accessibility is off, you can still use screenshot mode. Tap the floating bubble. Then tap Screenshot. Tap Start. Choose the chat window you want to capture. Review the screenshot. Then tap Recognize. SayPilot shows the recognized chat for you to review. Part 4. Profile Memory. With Profile Memory enabled, SayPilot can build an optional interaction profile for this person. Tap the profile card to view its details. It separates traits, preferences, and temporary signals with evidence you can inspect. Saved summaries and history stay on the device, where you can clear memory or delete the saved contact. For each reply, you choose whether the saved profile or history is included. Both memory types can be managed independently from conversations. Part 5. Reply History. To revisit replies, you can tap the bubble. Next, open Suggestions. Then tap History. Selecting a record shows its context and replies. You can tap Expand to see why, best for, and risk. You can also expand reply notes for a quick summary. SayPilot reads visible chat context only with user permission. You can review, edit, and send manually. Local data stays under your control. Thanks for watching.